What's up, guys? So this video was actually filmed back in April. I actually had to delete it almost immediately. It only got like 30 views, so you probably didn't see it, but if you did, sorry. But I wanted it back on my channel because it's a fun video, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I got a pretty fun one today. We're at Sore Thumb in Gilgo Beach. We're gonna go off-roading today. Peter's gonna meet me here. I haven't been here in 2 years, so we'll see how it goes, but we're gonna go air down and then we'll get going. These rollers are fun. They make me feel like I'm snowboarding again. Someone rode right through there. So we didn't want to drive further down the beach because Peter's front right tire doesn't air down. Also, the tide was getting really high, and I don't mess with driving through water with this thing because I'm too nervous. We're gonna go take a walk and see what's down there. This guy's on it. We're scoping out the trails for next time we come here. We'll see where it takes us. Yeah, no, we went back here like 2 years ago. Bear tracks? Yeah, I remember this also. It's actually sick back here. This would be a sick camp out spot.
Would it really be that bad?
To go up this?
Yeah.
I don't know, it looks pretty steep. What is this, jacket?
Somebody's drawers.
What? We started all the way down there. Now we're deep. We're all the way over here. Nice little walk for the boys. I think we're gonna head back now. Look at this. Someone just busted right through this fence. Can't imagine trying to go up this. Look how deep that rut is. We just checked out the people that were stuck, and they're really stuck, both of them. Me and Peter are gonna go try to dig them out. All right, they are really buried, so we're moving over and we're gonna go dig them out, hopefully. We'll see how it goes. A successful day at Sore Thumb. We were looking for some adventure. We got to help that guy. He was really nice. Both those guys and their families were very, very nice. So that was fun. And we're gonna head out, air up, and go home. Little rut right here. So that's where the lift comes in handy. Don't have to worry about bottoming. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a really fun time at Sore Thumb. We're gonna go exploring more next time, but overall off-roading in the frontier is so fun. And I'm not really doing anything too crazy, but just in sand, it's really, really good. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.